Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Ireland is quickly becoming a very rich country. We'll explore the key steps in its remarkable economic transformation. Ireland has strategically positioned itself as a global business hub, drawing in significant foreign investment. This success is built on a foundation of a skilled population and a welcoming environment for international corporations. A major driver of Ireland's economic ascent is its attractive corporate tax regime. This has successfully lured countless multinational giants, particularly in the technology and pharmaceutical sectors, to establish their European headquarters. This strategic move not only generates substantial employment opportunities, but also injects considerable wealth into the national economy. When assessing Ireland's wealth, it's important to understand the distinction between GDP and modified GNI. While GDP figures are impressive, they can be inflated by the activities of large multinationals. Modified GNI provides a more accurate reflection of the actual economic activity within the country, and even by this measure, Ireland demonstrates robust economic strength. Looking ahead, Ireland is focused on sustaining its economic momentum. Continued investment in education and modern infrastructure will be crucial. The evolving landscape of global tax regulations presents both hurdles and new avenues for growth. Ireland's strategy involves maintaining its competitive edge while nurturing a strong, innovative domestic business environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.